Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out a VR accessory for your Meta Quest 3 headset. This is the pressure-free head strap made by Destek. This will enhance your comfort. It has an added top fit adjustment, which most head straps do not have, so it has two knobs going here. This definitely gives you a customizable feature here where you can make it comfortable for you. It's very adjustable here. This one retails for $60 on their website. It's on sale currently at the time of posting for $40. I'll link below where you can find that. I am hoping to get a discount code from them that I can give you, so check the description below to see if there is one there. If not, you will find the link to their website where you can find more info and also purchase it. In this one, I'm going to unbox it, I will assemble it, and then I'll show you show you how to put it on, show you how to adjust it, and then I'll give you my review of it here in the end. So let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, first impressions, we got some nice cushioning here. It's the leather material, so it's supposed to be able to wipe away easily if you have sweat on you. We have a knob on top and a knob on the back. And then we have our clips on the side here. So here's my Quest 3. I've already taken off the original strap. If you haven't, these just clip off, and then you can remove your facial interface by pulling it back here. Guess I'll just may as well show you. And then you can undo the strap there, and then this just will clip back in for us. And you're good to go. So here, instead of having clips that push onto the side, these are just going to slide in to these arm bars here. So all I'm going to do is have this here, and you can see this is just going to slide right in, and we'll do it on both sides. And you can see here there's a spot at the back where it goes to on both sides there. And that's it. That's actually one of the most easiest installations that you'll have for a head strap here. So I'm gonna give this a shot here. I'll use it a little bit, and then I will show you how to put it on, and then I'll give you my review of it as well. Okay, I've had a bit of a chance to use this. I wanted to show you how to put it on, show you how to adjust it, and give you my review of it here as well. So you can see this one's a little bit different because it has this top strap as well. Instead of coming across the head this way, it's coming over this way, and we have the knob here. So putting it on is just like any other one. It easily tilts up, and you can use this knob in the back to adjust the back a little bit first. That's what I found easier. And then this knob on the top can adjust it, and it takes that weight off the rest of your face and your head right there. So I'm going to put it about right here, put this down, and tighten that in there. So this is how I like to wear it here. I like to have this back piece a bit lower on my head there, and then this more kind of across the top here. So this can actually swing. This top piece can swing pretty much the whole width of the back of your head there, which is nice. You can actually make this just an elite strap by putting it towards the back there, or you can make it more like a halo type strap by putting it to the front, more like the Bobo ones or some other ones there. You can put that towards the front, and you can wear that there. Now, depending on how you like it, you can make that adjustment as you see fit. Both knobs easily will adjust there. And even when it's on there, then you can tilt it up and tilt it down and make your adjustments. Taking it off is just as easy there as we go. So I really like that it is adjustable to however you really want to make it feel comfortable for you, right? If you want it at the front, you can be at the front. If you want it in the middle or the back, it's very adjustable and very you can customize it, I guess, for your own comfort there. The padding itself is nice and thick. It's very thick. I was actually surprised at how thick it was. Have a nice leather touch to it there. And that leather there is really easy to clean, and it's comfy. In terms of assembly, this is probably the easiest head strap I've ever put onto a headset before. It literally just slid right in there, right? and that was it. There was no complicated taking out the facial interface to put in the strap through the top there. You were good to go. One thing I did want to just show you here quick. When I have it on this way, I liked it this way. As I said, I always do kind of a rocker test. And it's staying pretty well put there, actually, which is good. I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't, but when I used it with some other games, it was actually very well. And I do like to play a lot of golf games. I like walkabout mini golf, big fan of that. So when you're playing golf, you're looking down a lot. And some head straps that I've used, they kind of slide a little bit when you look down. This one in this position here, I'm not getting any sliding motion at all, which is very important there. And I'm not feeling a ton of pressure on the front of my face. I'm feeling a little bit, but that's because I personally like it just slightly on my face there so I can feel it. It's not off my face, otherwise you do get that sliding motion there. But I'm not feeling the pressure on my cheekbones like I have with other head straps. In terms of price point, we're looking at about $60 US. It's on sale right now for $40 US. Now this one doesn't come with an external battery. It's just a comfort head strap, right? You're just going for comfort here, something better than the stock strap. It is 200% better than the stock strap for sure. It doesn't have that extra battery. There are other ways that you can get that extra battery time. There's those batteries I've seen around the neck, or people are putting them in their pocket. I think for the price point, $60, the regular price, is, it's right in between the lower comfort head straps I've seen from other companies. It's definitely not as expensive as a battery head strap from many other companies that I've seen. So it is slightly on the pricier side, in my opinion, for just a strap without a battery. However, if you can get it on sale like it is right now, it's a great price if you're just going for something for comfort. Out of the three that I've tested without a battery, this is by far the most comfortable and the most customizable at this point right now. I'm looking to get a discount code from them, so if you check in the description below, I will post it there if I have it. If not, I will link their website where you can find this and purchase this from them. I do recommend this if you don't need a battery, you're just looking for some comfort. This is definitely a good option that is very customizable for you here. So thank you for checking this one out. If you haven't checked out my other review videos, I encourage you to do so. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.